Hello friends. So in this video, we will try to understand the object ID in MongoDB. We can think of it an auto-generated unique ID in MongoDB. And this is generated for each record or each document. Okay. As soon as we insert a record, if that record does not have object ID, then it will automatically create it. Okay, so now here we will try to understand how does it maintain the uniqueness amongst different machine, because in a cluster there are multiple MongoDB instances running. So let's try to understand this big value. Okay, so it's a 12 byte of information, so that means it will take a 12 byte of storage, which is basically a 24 character of hexadecimal string. Okay, so it's a 12 it's a 24 hexadecimal string, and it is divided into three part. The first 4 byte, as it is 12 byte information, so the first 4 byte is timestamp. Okay, and the next 5 byte of information is a random generated number. So random numbers. Okay, random values. And the last 3 byte information is the incrementing value. Okay, we will talk about this. um, so this is timestamp. So 4 byte, 4 plus 5 plus 3, 4, 5, 9, and 3, 12 byte. So this composition makes a 12 byte information. We understand this timestamp, and this is epoch timestamp. If you know, the epoch time is the date, the today date, means this time, number of seconds from 0 hour 0 minute 0 second, which is taken from UTC time zone. Okay, so just think of it as a time zone. So now you can think of, let's say, if this number is not there, let's assume this random value is not there, then what will happen? Two different machine can have the same time, so it can generate, it can create a duplicate object. So that is a reason the random value, the 5 byte of random value is associated in this object ID creation. So every machine, each machine will not generate the same random number. So that we can say, the composition of timestamp, or we can say the combination of timestamp and this random value itself, capable of creating mm, unique ID, right? Unique object ID. There is another thing. What if we are very frequently adding the data? Let's say we are inserting 10 records in a second. That's possible. To avoid that, or to tackle that situation, then we have this third combination, which is incrementing value in a second. Let's say if we are adding multiple records in a second. Okay, so we can see there is increment happening. Okay, so that's why if we can visualize this. If we frequently insert record, then you will see that only last number is somewhere changing. Okay, I have observed this. So how many number it can create in 1 second? It can create 1.6 million uh, incrementing value in a second on a single process. Okay, so this is how the MongoDB maintain or create this unique ID. Okay, So yeah, that's all about this video. If you want to continue learning the MongoDB, uh, please subscribe the channel so that you can get the video notification of the video. Okay. Thank you. See you. Bye.